vai ungi nonye uni uneni wake ndongo ya chama cha Wiper Stephen Kalonzo wa Musyoka valo mulokana we ni wakwidhi wa Munini wa Raila Odinga ndini wa kukitia kivila cha Usumbi wandi ino ungua ngwatanio ya Azimio-Oka Kenya ayona nyamu ikio wake ndini wa usindi na kwasia mbikia yu vai moteti ungi utonya kukua usindi usu ateomo Kalonzo enene andeto ika vindani kala kuvingwa ngwatanio ya ala memwanya chamani cha Wiper. Benjamin Mwaka no kutuelezea.
Mutongoi wa chama cha Wiper Dr. Stephen Kalonzo wa Musyoka kwa ivinda ambevyu ni wavithwanuo kukilia kiingo ta Munini wa Raila Odinga nguo tatu wa Usumbi wa ngwatanio chama ya Azimio-Oka Kenya kwanana na Kalonzo ni kana vaina gitumio na kimwe kitona kumuvetanga hisavu ni lino.
I think from now on let us not talk about the obvious. Make it very clear. We don't discuss the obvious. Yes. All right? Kikiumana kitaumana uko mbele. Lakini sidhani kitaumana. So don't worry about who becomes what and what. We are moving. Fugufugu la umoja. One Kenya.
Inene tuna kuvingwa vonge wa chama cha Wiper ando alame mamudha memwana Kalonzo ni waweta mumbile wa Azimio-Oka na ulanu wa kavila kamumbo yani kwa kisungu 3-legged stool ni wongu Ikasinda Usumbi kwacha.
We want to win this election and win it. You've seen the way that Azimio-Oka Kenya team was received in Turkana, was received in West Pokot. And this is a Rift Valley, by the way. Even those who are stoning others with stones are changing because nobody wants to be left out of this real bandwagon of change for this country. And if I honestly stood and said Raila Amolo Odinga Tosha, anybody else can, including Ruto.
Dino amethungulula chama cha Wiper na ile ukita kwambia matuku 13 kuvikia miongo elimu ine mutongoi wa chama cha Wiper ni wa thatete onde umeluna withe anu dino iseso dino kwanana na Kalonzo ni kana vaye tikiti wa Wiper wisa kudenga na kuislanzia siandelisiane.
This time as a party we are actually saying if you want to be nominated, you have to earn it.
Yes.
You just don't sit there and reap from the sweat of others. Everybody must earn their nomination. And there will be no, favoritism of any kind.
Na ndino wachathike Kalonzo ni wakulia ndola memamudha memwana meyumile na kukitia miana ya uteti vandu vakwetela kunengwa tikiti ou zamanene ya kikundiki vina a memba 18 ungua mwene kivila Dominic Katel kuma kaunti ya Bungoma.
Nundu netodialize ite alemavu aingi ni mola ibinda ya kula na tenda alemavu methe mayeyu meliana kokona kula na kuparticipate kulane tando alange onde
ni kwithiwa ithie andu ala twina mamutha me mwana mabinda maingi ni tusindawa kuendesya siasa ni mundu wa mawonzu maitu makimwe na muno mathina maukwati.
Ndilivotia vilingo wa mauvo kumava kaunti ni lovi nyenita wa Benjamin Mwaka.